Welcome to Casual Cooking's channel. Go to Shenzhen to eat again. Pass through Luohu. Go straight and turn right. You can take the bus to your destination. Take bus No 83. Get off at Sunshine Hotel Station and walk for a while. You will arrive at Kingglory Shopping Center. There are many restaurants in this mall. Today we went to fish hunting on the 4th floor. Don't even need to line up, rush in immediately. It turns out that the fish has been sold out, so it's no wonder that we have to wait in line. Go to the alternate food store, tire pickled fish. The fish is also sold out. Just eat something nearby and come back tomorrow. After passing Master Bao, there are not many people in line. Buy some pastries to eat. I bought 4 seaweeds and 2 durians. A total of 35 renminbi, not expensive. After passing Master Bao, there are not many people in line. Buy some pastries to eat. The taste of durian cakes is acceptable, not too outstanding. Seaweed tastes better, must eat. The rice noodles and soup in this restaurant can be refilled for free. I ordered 2 types of snail noodles, one with deep fried eggs and the other with fried eggs. There are also fried bean curd sticks and pig intestines. The deep fried eggs are very crispy and absorb the soup very well. Recommended. I like the hot and sour taste of snail noodles. But the smell is a bit strong. It is not recommended to eat at home. The taste of noodle in this restaurant is acceptable, but not too special. The price is also reasonable. Temporarily full. Looking forward to go fishing tomorrow. In order to avoid queuing, at about 11 o'clock in the morning, I have arrived at Kingglory Mall. Just opened, there are already customers. Luckily we arrived early and didn't have to queue. Eat snacks while ordering. At 11:25, there are already many guests. If it is lunchtime, there should be a queue. Eat skewers first. The taste is not outstanding, but it only costs $28, which is very good value. Grilled chicken cartilage is perfect for wine. Strong common taste and crisp taste. The main course is grilled fish with green peppercorns. Made with catfish this time, less fish bones. The edges of the fish are crispy and the flesh is tender. With the slightly spicy soup, it is very delicious. Most of the food is eaten. Only rice cakes and brine are left. These two foods can be ignored. The ice powder here is unlimited, and a lot of ingredients. It is recommended that everyone must eat. I ate a lot of food. The total amount was 340 yuan. On the return trip, I bought some pastries from Master Bao for my mother. Video ends here. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching.
如
If
果
you
大家
like
中
my
意我
videos,
頻道，希望
please
你可以訂
subscribe
閱同
and
埋撳
press
埋
the
通知個
notification
啷啷，
bell.
咁先唔
Never
會
miss a
錯過
video
影片更
update.
新。多
Thank
謝
you
大
all.
家。